Good morning, students. Today we take new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay, we have already discussed how to locate the points on coordinate plane, that is on x-axis and on y-axis. Okay, and in quadrants. So here we will see the study of finding the distance between any two given points in a coordinate plane. Okay, so we have already discussed. Suppose one point is given, that is 3, 4. Then what is the quadrant of this point? Means in which quadrant this point is located. Okay, so here the value of x means abscissa. This is called abscissa. That is distance between the point from y-axis. The distance between the point from y-axis is called abscissa, and distance of the point from x-axis, that is called ordinate. Okay, means it is y coordinate, it is x coordinate. So we can easily find the position of this point. Okay, means if this is the abscissa, see here in the graph, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 and this is 3. Then what is the position of this point? Here. So this point is 3, 4. So we can easily find the position of any given point on the coordinate plane. Okay. Now, but if you are given a point that is 3, 0, then what is the distance of this point from origin? So first we locate this point on x-axis, means x abscissa is 3 and ordinate is 0, means the point in itself, that is 3, 0, and this distance is 3 unit. Okay, it means the distance of this point from origin is 3 unit, because this point lies on x-axis. Okay, now suppose another point is given like this, 0, 5. You know here abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 5. It means that this point lies on y-axis. Okay, and the distance of this point from origin is 5 unit. So when the point lies on x-axis or y-axis, the distance between these 2 points we can easily find. Suppose one point is this, like this. Suppose it is 0, 4 point, and another point is this. So here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so it is 0, 11. So what is the distance between these 2 points? So we can easily find the distance, because this distance is 4 unit. See here, this distance is 4 unit and this distance is 11 unit. So 11 unit minus 4 unit means it is 7 unit. Okay, so we can easily find the distance between 2 points on x-axis or y-axis. But when the points are given in any quadrant, how can we find the distance between these 2 points? Okay, so let us discuss that the distance between the 2 points. Now we find the distance between any 2 points when the points lie on any quadrant. So we have to derive here the distance formula. Okay, so by this formula we can easily find the distance between any 2 points. Okay, so let's consider one point having coordinate x1, y1, and another point q having coordinate x2, y2. Okay, so here there are 2 points P and Q. P having the coordinate x1, y1, Q having the coordinate x2, y2. So just to locate this point, suppose this is the P point here. This is P point having coordinate x1, y1, and another point is this Q having coordinate x2, y2. Okay, now see. So we have to find here distance between these 2 points. So what is the distance between this P and Q? Okay. So here first we draw the perpendicular lines from P and Q to the x-axis. Okay. You know that this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So just draw perpendicular lines from P like this, and from Q on x-axis. Okay, these points are suppose M, N. Now, can you say what are the coordinates of M and N? So here, see, this distance is y1. Okay, and this distance is x1, because axis is x1 and coordinate is y1. So coordinate of this point is, what is this distance is x1 and coordinate is 0. This is also same. This distance is y2 and this distance is x2. So here x2 0. Okay. Now you just find here this distance is x1. From origin to n, this distance is x2. Then what is the distance of mn? Okay, so mn is x2 minus x1. Okay, x2 minus x1. So this distance is x2 minus x1. Now, again one step here. Draw perpendicular line from P which intersect Qn at P. Suppose, so here draw perpendicular line from P which intersect Qn at P. Okay, so we get here right triangle. This right triangle. Now, what are the coordinates of T? T coordinate is x2 and what is the y? See, this is x2 and y is y1. So these are the coordinates of point T. Now see, this is right triangle PQT. Now we have to find the distance QT. So this Q distance from this to this line, distance is y2. Okay, and from T is y1. So here this whole distance is y2 and this is y1. So this distance is y2 minus y1. Okay, y2 minus y1. Now we have to find distance PQ. So in triangle, in right triangle PQT. Okay, so PQ square is equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, PT square plus QT square. So what is PT square? PT distance is this. This distance is same as PT. So here it is x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 square plus QT. What is the distance QT? QT is y2 minus y1. Okay, so this is PQ square. Now PQ is equal to square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So this is the distance formula. So by this formula we can find the distance between any two points given on the coordinate axis. Okay, coordinate plane. So P, Q. So we have to find here if point P is given and point Q is given in any quadrant of the Cartesian plane, then we can easily find the distance from P and Q by this formula. Okay, x2 and x1 are axes of points and y2 and y1 are ordinates of the point. Okay, so let us start with one example. So let us take one example, that is find the distance between the 2 points P minus 5 7 and Q minus 1 3. So we are given here 2 points P and Q, and we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so it is very easy. So consider it as x1 y, here x2 y. Okay, यहाँ पे आप किसी को भी कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे आप x2 y2 ले सकते हैं या x1 y1 ले सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. Now we know the distance formula, that is PQ. So 2 points are PQ. So PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. इस फार्मूले में भी आप x1 minus x2 लिख सकते हैं, इधर y1 minus y2 भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, क्योंकि स्क्वायर है, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू का भी स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव रहेगा, नेगेटिव वैल्यू का भी स्क्वायर पॉजिटिव रहेगा. सो वी कैन राइट हियर x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. Here also y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2. So just substitute the values here. So x2, see, x2 is minus 1 minus x1, so minus of minus 5 bracket square plus y2 3 minus 7. Okay, so here minus 1 minus minus plus 5 plus 3 minus square. Okay, is equal to minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4 and 4 square is 16 plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 and minus 4 is also 16. So here 16 plus 16, that is 32. So when we factorize 32, see, okay, so here we get 2 in the bracket, so 4 under root 2 unit. So this is the distance between given 2 point P and Q. Okay, you just substitute the values in formula and find the distance between, and always write the unit, okay, for the distance, because here measurement is not given in centimeter and meter, so we can write just unit. So 4 root 2 unit is the distance between P and Q.